At Freepik, we have all kinds of content to inspire you or to use in your next project. If you need inspiration or you are looking for a template to start a project, go to freepik.com and head to the collections section. There you will find all the materials organized by topic, style, or format. Simply type in the topic you want to explore and select the one that suits you better. Whether you work in advertising, web design, social media, it doesn't matter, you'll find your type of content here. Take a look on some of the best content we have available on our platform that will help you get the most of your creativity. No matter the project, leave your creativity flow and find the right assets on Freepik.